SS, but nevertheless he could be a hero, he'd guess. Dr. Themefart, the year before that, paraded the young Americans and found some new fans, with MFSB looking askance. Be the real you, be the real me, identity. Be the real me, be the real you. How do you do? How do you do? Dr. Themefart, a bit younger still, came up on watching Earth from outer space, and right after that drew a bright flash across his face. Dr. Themefart, right at the start, discovered the velvet underground and made up a song about a fun person